Locked out? Need a locksmith now? Call 1-800-680-0038 for immediate service. A local, licensed locksmith can be there less than 45 minutes. All locksmiths are highly qualified and are in your area. Our network of locksmiths are standing by 24 hours a day. Call 1-800-680-0038 now. We can handle both residential and commercial jobs. Our locksmiths specialize in apartments, homes, offices, warehouses, cars, trucks, and much more. Your locksmith can also provide you with an alarm and CCTV installation services. All of our technicians are certified, licensed, and insured. Call 1-800-680-0038 now.